Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I decided to do this look right here. So this is I kind of wanted to try the new products that I got from Winky Lux. So I did the palette, I did the gloss, and I did some of their cheek products to see how I will like them, and then the lashes as well, because you know I love a good lash. But yeah, so I hope that you guys enjoy this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye. Thank you for watching. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be playing with one of the new palettes that I got from Winky Lux, and the palette is called Cashmere Kitten palette. So the first color that I'm using in all over my crease is this beautiful mauve tone, which is called Breeding. So I'm using that all over, and then I'm going back and using this dark purple in the color Caturday. So it's more of like a darker purple, which we are going to be using all over our crease. And then after that I'm going to be using any glitter glue that I have to use all over my lid to make more of a cut crease. So I'm using a flat brush just to make sure that we get that perfect cut crease that I'm going for. And I'm very concentrated as I'm doing this because I want to make sure that I get it super precise and correctly, so I'll be able to do it on the other side. And then I'm using this color from the palette that's called Holographic Biscuits. So it's more of a pinky, like a light pinky shimmer. And I did use another like a shimmer topper on top, which it's from Artist Couture in the color Supernova, and one of their powders for as a highlight, but I use it as a topper. And I'm going back and forth with another palette. This is by the one by Brazil by Beige Cosmetics, and I'm using the same kind of the same purple that's in the Winky Lux palette, but I just wanted something a little bit brighter just to make the purple pop a little bit more. And I'm using a very small detail brush just to make sure that the cut crease kind of shows and that there's detail going on with the cut crease. And I'm going back and forth and blending it with a bigger brush, a blending brush, and using the small detail brush to make it more detailed and more noticeable of the cut crease. Just because I have hooded eyes, and sometimes I have to work a little bit with more detail to make it work. And I'm using my concealer from Too Faced in light neutral. I've been using this color a lot lately. I've been loving it. It's really hydrating. It doesn't cause any creasing underneath my eyes because I've been struggling with that lately a lot. And I get it's because of change of weather in New York, but I've been loving this one recently a lot. So after that, we're going to be using my NARS eyeliner. This is a nude color just to make my eyes appear bigger. And I'm using that all over my waterline. And then I'm going back and using the purple to use underneath my lash line to make it pop. And I'm using the same detail brush that I used for my cut crease underneath. So I'm leaving the middle part with no shadow, and it's because I'm using rhinestones to put underneath my lash line and in the inner of my lid to make it pop. Just I wanted to do something different. I've been seeing a lot how Instagram, this is like really popular lately, and right now I'm putting glue to make this stay. At first I was struggling. I tried like 3 or 4 and they were falling, so I did use a smaller brush to kind of make sure that the glue was there and making sure that I was, see, it's like what I'm talking about, just to make sure that the rhinestone was staying as I was applying it. So yeah, I've been seeing a lot. I've totally forgot to show, but one of my coworkers were talking about it, so I was like, I should do something a little bit different. We're at rhinestones. At the end of the day, it's fall and people are doing all these cool makeup looks. So I got inspired by her talking about it, so I did it. So after we're done putting the rhinestones in my eyes, I'm going to go and use my bronzer by one of the butter bronzers. This bronzer smells so good, guys. You guys should really try it. It's by Physicians Formula. This is literally one of my favorite bronzers at all times. It's neutral. It doesn't give you like no orange. Like after sometimes bronzers tend to oxidize. It doesn't do this, which I love. So guys, really try it out. You can find it in your local CVS or in your local Ulta. Give it a try. So then I'm using this liquid lipstick by Anastasia, and it's in the color Ashton. And the last product that I'm using is actually by Winky Lux and one of their lip oils. And this one's sheer and it's neutral, and this one is called In the Stars. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. Talk a lot about us in a bad light. My heart is an angel, twisted and tangled. We happy unstable. Love me from every angle. Tell me that you can when you're able. Shut me down when I'm fatal. How much you I need you, I got you, and I'm gonna have you if I say so. How much you I need you, I got you, and I'm gonna have you if I say so. How much you I need you, I got you, and I'm gonna have you if I say so. How much you I need you, I got you, and I got 10 toes down. I'm going in and I'm out. You need my body like a movie. I give you hours just to hold me. You talk a lot about us in a bad light. My heart is an angel, twisted and tangled. We happy unstable. Love me from every angle. Tell me that you can when you're able. Shut me down.